I'm Susan. It's game day food again, and this time I'm trying a Philly cheesesteak pizza made with crescent rolls. So I hope it'll be good. It has lots of good stuff in it, and I hope y'all are having a great day. So without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need an 8-ounce can of refrigerated Crescent dinner rolls. You'll need 8 ounces of deli thin roast beef. You'll need a tablespoon of Italian dressing, about 1 to 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese that's been grated, 2 tablespoons of vegetable or olive oil. I'm using olive oil. 1 cup of coarsely chopped or thinly sliced bell peppers, and a cup of coarsely chopped or thinly sliced onion, and a half a teaspoon of beef flavored instant bouillon. I have my oven preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to unroll your dough and place it in an ungreased 13 by 9 inch pan. You want to press your dough over the bottom of your pan the best you can. It's said to go up about 1/2 inch up the sides, but I honestly think the dough is not as big as it used to be because it was nowhere near. I had to really work at it. But anyway, you want to do the best you can in pressing your dough and getting it covered to the bottom of your pan, and you want to press those perforations and just make sure you got a solid dough over the bottom of your pan. Now you want to take your roast beef and just wrap it tightly in foil. And you want to place both the crescent roll dough and the beef in your oven and bake it for about 10 minutes or until the crust is a light golden brown. Now you want to arrange your roast beef over your partially baked crust. And once you get through with that, you want to brush it with your salad dressing and then sprinkle it with your mozzarella cheese, and then return it to the oven to bake for another 8 to 10 minutes. While your pizza's baking, you want to take a medium skillet and heat up your oil on medium heat and stir your onions and peppers and your bouillon until it's soft. We like ours really soft. And once your pizza's done, you just want to spread that over the top. I lost the footage of where I was spreading it, but all I did was just sprinkle it over the top. And it is ready to eat, and it is so very good. And here it is. It was really a good game day food. We had this and my other homemade pizzas, and we just enjoyed ourselves tremendously. We'll definitely make this again. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful game day. And until next time, bye y'all.